Top 5 Must-See Destinations in France. Bonjour. Welcome to bilingualbookstore.com, where we share tips and insights on bilingual living, language learning, and travel. Today, we're going to take you on a journey to France and share with you the top 5 must-see destinations that you don't want to miss. First on our list is the iconic Eiffel Tower in Paris. This world-famous landmark is a symbol of French culture and engineering. It's also one of the best places to get a panoramic view of the city. The Louvre Museum, Paris. This is one of the largest and most famous art museums in the world, with an impressive collection of art and artifacts from around the globe. The Palace of Versailles, Versailles. This magnificent palace was once the residence of the French monarchs and is a prime example of Baroque architecture. Heading to the north, we have Mont Saint-Michel in Normandy. This stunning abbey sits atop a rocky island, surrounded by water, and is one of the most beautiful and mystical destinations in France. Now let's head down south to the French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur. This beautiful coastline is a playground for the rich and famous and offers pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and stunning views. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when we post new content. And as always, we appreciate your support and feedback. Merci beaucoup and à bientôt.